Hello everybody, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I want to talk about a D&G fragrance, which is from the house of Dolce & Gabbana, number 6, L'Amaro. This is from their anthology series, and this is classified as a woody floral musk. In the notes we have spices, juniper berries, bergamot, pink pepper, cardamom, birch leaf, iris root, wood, and musk. So now with this fragrance, what you're going to get is a warm, kind of a hot, spicy, sweet smell. You definitely pick up on like a peppery, red pepper, pink pepper kind of a thing. Maybe like a pimento or a hot pepper. But also I get like a cinnamon as well. In fact, I did some further research and I come to find out that somebody said it had cinnamon bark in there, which could very well be the case as well. So think along those lines. The overall effect is kind of like cinnamon red hots, if you've ever experienced those. Candy, sweet, spicy, cinnamon. And also in the base you have that woody musky ness as well. So that's pretty much it for that one. It did remind me of some other fragrances that I've smelled before, like Dunhill Desire, Hummer's H2, which both have sort of like a cinnamon spiciness to them and a similar effect. So let me go ahead and get into some scores here. The smell, I give it a 5 out of 10. I thought it was an okay smell, maybe just a little bit youthful and not really something that I would be too interested in wearing a lot. I felt like this one was more almost like a club fragrance in a way, but just more watery, I guess, than a usual club scent. It wasn't like a powerhouse, but it definitely had like this sensual, sexy kind of a vibe to it. Projection and longevity, I give it 7.5 out of 10. Thought it did pretty well for about 2 or 3 hours before it tapered off, and I thought maybe it performed a little bit better than number 1 in the series. Uniqueness, only 5 out of 10. It reminded me of so many other fragrances that have that same hot cinnamon kind of a smell, and even some vanillas with a similar vibe, like hot water from Davidoff or something like that. Versatility, I'll give it 4 out of 10. I'm not really sure when I would want to wear this. It just doesn't seem to suit my personality or anything. Youthful, almost clubbish in feel. Price point, I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. It did have some good prices, I believe, if you look around, about $30 or $40 for a nice 100 ml bottle. So pretty good there. Overall, though, 5 points out of 10. Just didn't quite do it for me. Just reminded me of so many other things, and I think at this stage of my life, I just need something a little bit more mature. But if you're, younger, and you like the smell of like hot, sweet, spicy cinnamon, you're definitely probably gonna want to get your nose on this. Think along the lines of like Original Santal from Creed, maybe like Mont Blanc's Individual, some of the other ones that I mentioned, like Hummer H2, Dunhill Desire. So I think I actually like number 1 better than this one. This one just kind of came across as something that a kid would wear at the club or something, but with a watery feel to it. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.